Welcome. In front of me I have a DKNY case. And I have no clue if that is how you pronounce it, but in any case I'll go over unboxing of this and a quick test fit for the iPhone 16. So anyway, let's just get into it. I am going to mention that this specific case for iPhone is designed specifically for the 16 version, as some of the other ones, like for instance the Spigen, just kind of has iPhone 6.3 inch, which by all means fits over the Pro and the non-Pro version of the device. The only difference is the camera cutout right here is designed for the Pro version, so when you put it on, it does have like a decent chunk of empty just space right here. So anyway, let's just pop it open here. So for a case that I think costs actually more than some other ones like Spigens and stuff like that, I can't say that I'm too impressed with the design. So this is plastic, at least I think. Yep, that's plastic. In terms of fit, it fits well over the device, as you can pretty much see. But the actual this design of it and finish, just I don't feel like it's too great. There are cheaper cases that feel better than this, so yeah. The logo right here at the bottom does catch your hand. It will probably do some damage to your pocket after some time, because it is kind of sharp right here. It's not the most comfortable. Yeah, like I said, plastic here. This looks like it's not leather. See, does it state what it is here? Drop protection. I mean, that's kind of what every case supposedly is. Easy snap-on. Again, that's primarily what every case does. Slim profile. Yeah, I'm not gonna call that slim. This hunky thing is chunkier than a case that doesn't even claim to be slim. And it's compatible with MagSafe. Actually, you can actually check that out, because I do have a little wallet right here. Ah, there we go. That is actually holding on very strongly on here. Stronger than the default MagSafe on the device itself. That is pretty good. But yeah, all in all, it doesn't feel like such a premium case or anything, so I would probably skip this one. It just feels a bit kind of like an AliExpress product almost, I would say, that's trying to be flashy. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.